Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to use blockchain technology for secure transactions. How to use blockchain technology for secure transactions. In today's digital age, securing your transactions is more important than ever. Blockchain technology offers a revolutionary approach to creating secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions across multiple industries. Today, I will guide you through everything you need to know to use blockchain technology for secure transactions effectively. Blockchain, at its core, is a decentralized ledger system. Unlike traditional banking or financial platforms, blockchain does not rely on a central authority. Instead, every transaction is recorded in a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, forming a permanent record. Once a block is added, it cannot be altered or deleted, making fraud extremely difficult. One of the main advantages of a blockchain technology is transparency. Each participant in the network has access to the same ledger, and transactions can be traced and verified at any time. This ensures that all parties involved are accountable, and the risk of unauthorized changes is drastically reduced. Additionally, blockchain uses advanced cryptographic techniques to secure data, meaning your transactions are encrypted and only accessible to those with proper authorization. Now, let's discuss how to get started with secure transactions using blockchain. First, you need a reliable blockchain platform. Popular choices include Ethereum, Hyperledger, and Bitcoin for financial transactions. Each platform has its own features and advantages. Ethereum, for example, allows smart contracts that automatically execute terms of an agreement when predefined conditions are met, further enhancing security and efficiency. Next, setting up a secure wallet is essential. A digital wallet stores your private keys, which are required to sign transactions. There are hardware wallets, software wallets, and even mobile wallets. Hardware wallets are considered the most secure as they are offline and less prone to hacking. Always ensure your private keys are backed up securely to prevent loss. At this stage, if this video is informative, take a moment to subscribe to my channel to stay informed. Also, engage with my content by liking, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Thank you very much. Let's continue. It is important to understand transaction verification in blockchain. Transactions are confirmed through consensus mechanism. They are confirmed through consensus mechanisms such as proof of work or proof of stake. These mechanisms ensure that all network participants agree on the validity of transactions, making fraudulent activity almost impossible. Proof of work requires computational effort to validate blocks, while proof of stake relies on validators holding a stake in the network, promoting fairness and security. Smart contracts play a significant role in securing blockchain transactions. They act as self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Once deployed, these contracts operate automatically, removing the need for intermediaries and reducing the risk of human error. Whether you are managing financial transactions, supply chain data, or digital assets, smart contracts enhance trust and efficiency. To maximize security, always keep your blockchain software up to date. Vulnerabilities in outdated software can be exploited by malicious actors. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication and follow best practices for password management. By taking these precautions, you strengthen the integrity of your transactions and protect your digital assets. Let's briefly explore real-world applications. In finance, blockchain allows secure peer-to-peer transactions without intermediaries. In healthcare, it ensures that a patient record a patient a patient ensures that 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 patients in healthcare, it ensures that patient records are immutable and accessible only to authorized professionals. Supply chain management benefit from blockchain transparency by allowing end-to-end traceability of goods, preventing fraud and counterfeiting. Um, Even governments and voting systems are adopting uh, uh, blockchain technology for secure and verifiable record keeping. In conclusion, using blockchain technology for secure transactions combines decentralization, transparency, encryption, and automation. By choosing the right platform, securing your digital wallet, understanding consensus mechanism, and leveraging smart contracts, you can confidently conduct transactions while minimizing risks. Blockchain is more than a technology. It is a paradigm shift in how we manage trust and security in digital transactions. Um, Finally, before you leave, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Also, engage with my video by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Visit my channel to watch more helpful videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye until my next video.